Is this the end of the smartphone gaming era? This is the Ayaneo Pocket S, a device so powerful it packs a dedicated Snapdragon G3x Gen 2 chip running at a staggering 15 WTDP. It's thin, it's premium, and it looks like a piece of jewelry. But after the hype of 2025, we're now in April 2026, and the reality is complicated. From supply chain disasters to a fan that sounds like a vacuum cleaner, today we're diving deep into the high-end Android handheld dream. Is it a masterpiece or a beautiful mistake? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the brain. Most gaming phones use the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but Ayaneo went for the G3x Gen 2. Why? Because of sustained performance, the GPU advantage. The Adreno A32 inside this beast clocked at 1 GHz, nearly double the performance of the previous generation. The benchmarks, we're looking at AnTuTu scores over 1.69 million. In 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, it hits over 4,300. The reality, this means you're not just playing Genshin Impact at max settings, you're running Nintendo Switch emulators and even Windows games via Winlator with 99% stability. Ayaneo is known for industrial aesthetics. The Pocket S features a full CNC aluminum midframe and a borderless glass front. It's only 14 millimeters thin. But here is where the problem starts. Because it's so flat and thin, it lacks ergonomic grips. If you have big hands or play for more than an hour, you will feel the cramp. And that metal frame, it's a double-edged sword. It helps with heat dissipation, but it gets hot to the touch very quickly during AAA sessions. Now, let's talk about the Pocket S Mini. It was supposed to be the endgame for retro lovers, with its 4.2-inch 4:3 LCD screen, perfect for PS1, N64, and Dreamcast. However, Ayaneo hit a massive wall. They promised 6,000 mAh, but due to a supplier error, it shipped with only 4,700 mAh. We're talking 3 to 4 hours of heavy gaming max. Ayaneo tried to fix it by giving away free Pocket Air Minis to affected users, but as of April 2026, they have officially discontinued the Pocket S Mini after only 2 months. It's now a collector's item, for better or worse. The elephant in the room, the AYANEO. Performance? The Pocket S has a higher GPU clock, but in most Android games you won't even notice the difference. Battery? Odin 2 has a massive 8,000 mAh, nearly double the real-world endurance of the Pocket S. Software? Ayaneo's AYASpace 2.5 is beautiful, but can be buggy with ghost touches. Odin's software is simpler and more stable. If you want a luxury tech piece, get the Ayaneo. If you want a gaming marathon tool, the Odin 2 still holds the crown. The good news, Ayaneo is finally listening to the after-sales complaints. They are setting up overseas warehouses right now for faster repairs in the US and Europe. They even have a new policy. If your repair takes over 3 months, you get a new device or a paid upgrade to the upcoming Pocket S2. The Pocket S is a pioneer. It proved that Android can be a serious, high-end gaming platform. But for $399 to $799, you have to decide if beauty is worth the heat and the short battery life. What do you think? Is the 1440p screen worth the battery drain? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.